Billy Joel should come out of the semi-retirement he's been in. He could do a new version of We Didn't Start the Fire, just featuring the names of all the Yahoo CEOs since 2001, shall we? Tim Kugel, Terry Semel, Jerry Yang, Carol Bartz, Tim Morton, Scott Thompson, Ross Levinson. 7 CEOs now since 2001. To say that this is a company in turmoil is a massive purple understatement. Yahoo has been a turnaround story for more than a decade. Will Ross Levinson, who takes over for Scott Thompson, who left the company in the wake of ResumeGate, finally be the right person to get Yahoo on the right track? I'm not 100% sure. Ross Levinson is the interim CEO. It remains to be seen whether or not he will take the reins officially on a permanent basis. But what troubles me, and probably has to trouble some investors, even though the stock is up in early trading Monday, Ross Levinson is a classic media ad guy, and Yahoo has tried that strategy several times. Scott Thompson, despite having to step down because he apparently lied to the people that were hiring him, he seemed to have a better strategy in place going forward for Yahoo, which was to focus more on commerce as opposed to content. Yahoo really needs to find a strategy and stick to it, and I think the problem with Levinson as the new CEO is they're kind of backsliding into this media content play, and Yahoo really needs to do something to get online ad growth rejuvenated again. I mean, there's a little company called Facebook you might have heard of that's going to go public later this week. It's kind of eating Yahoo's lunch in the display ad business. It's not good times for Yahoo. Levinson may or may not be the answer, unfortunately.